In this video, I will be showing you how to build a Wix website for free. It's a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is simply go to their site and you can see there Get Started. Create a website without limits. So here are the options above, but you can skip to that and go to Get Started. So once you click this one, they will ask for a few information about you. Okay, so we have ways how to sign up. If you have an existing account, you just have to tap login and type your email address. Now, if you don't have, then you can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook. Okay, so here they will ask for your email address, confirm email address. Just copy what you type above. And then, of course, they also want to ask your password. It should be strong and unique password, and they will also ask to confirm your password. So once you type your email address and your password, then all you have to do is just simply click sign up. Okay. So you have choices below: Google, Facebook, and Apple. So click sign up. Now, after you click sign up, okay, so you're about to set a or they're about to set the right tools for you. So first, who are you creating a website for? Is it for yourself, for a business, for a friend, or it's for a client as a freelancer or agency? So in short, this website that you're about to create, is it for you or for your client? Okay, so for me, it's for myself. So I have to tap the first one here. Okay, and then click continue. And then after that, they will ask another question again. What kind of website are you creating? So we have your choices. For me, I choose this online store because let's just say I'll be selling products. Okay, so be specific. Now I want to choose this online accessory store. This is just an example. I will not sell any accessories here. So this is just for tutorial. Now click this online accessory store and then click next. And then after that, you are preparing for your dashboard. So it will take a few seconds only. So please be patient. Okay, so here, sign up again, log in if you have an existing account. Then you can continue with Google or your Facebook, or you can just easily type email again, password, your password. And then for me, for it to become easier, I want to tap this continue with Google. Okay, tap your email address again. So one moment, please. And then you have to type your password in order for you to continue. Type your password and then click go. Okay, you can save your information so that, it would be easier for you to log into your device. Or you can just tap never. Okay, so what best describes your workplace? Okay, for me, small business, but everything is up to you. Now, who will you be building website for? From a company, of course. Then click
So
get started.
choose how you want to start.
So
So
here's examples of templates. So since I want to create or build an online accessory store, of course I have to find a template that is close or matched that. If you're looking for or if you are selling clothing products, then you can choose anything related to that or match to that. If you are selling cell phones or anything, technology, something like that, you can select a template for technologies, for cars, and so on. So I want to choose this, but I think it would be a little bit hard for me to edit because there are pants already on the template. So I'm going to choose another one. Let's just say this one here, the green one. And I want to edit some features and options here and also the text here. So the best thing about Wix is that you can change everything here. Text, fonts, background, colors, everything. So for this, of course, this is the front page. So I want to put the name of my store here. click this one, delete or remove, and then type the name of my store. Okay, so edit text, delete, and then this is the name of my store, accents and adornments. So actually, you can copy this one. Okay, so after that, you can easily edit everything here, the text, the font, alignment, okay, even the color. Okay, so everything is here, the font size, font style. So you can just easily edit everything here until you get satisfied with your result. Okay, change the colors and you can add colors. Okay, and then actually you can also add tags. So as you can see, right now I'm changing the colors. And then as you can see below accents and adornments, you can see here available for iOS and Android. Of course, I'm going to delete that and replace with the tagline of my store. So all you have to do is, of course, to click that, okay, change text, and then type the tagline here, okay. And then after that, all you have to do is to click anywhere and then it will automatically appear here. So that's how easy it is. You can change the text or you can change the style, the font, the color, the background, anything. Okay, here, so you can delete these features here or change the options here. And then let's go to about, of course, your customers will look for the description or any information about your store. So about the store, you just have to edit this one here about the accessory store, about the store. And then you just have to type the information here. Accents and adornments is your premier destination or something like that. And then here you can remove this image and replace with something. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this one and then it will take you direct to some choices here. So let's just say you wanted to change this. You just have to click change picture art, and then it will take you directly to this. Now you can upload media if you uploaded or created an image for your store through Canvas or whatsoever. And you can also go to the search bar and look for accessories. So this is just a tutorial. I know you can do better than this. Okay. So that's it. Feel free to edit the images, the text, the fonts, anything that can make your store beautiful. Everything is up to you. Actually, you can also change your theme or template if you want. Okay. You can also download images for your online store. You can create images from other tools. Okay. And then add it here. So that's how easy it is to build a Wix website for free. For domain, that would be another tutorial, I guess. So, but for now, this is how you make it. This is how you build Wix website. And once you're done with this, you can now promote your store. So I hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.